Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, ooh, I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours.
Alright, what's up guys, we out here. I'm not gonna say the street. You already know, DaeDae Visuals. We out here, tournament, State to State, 2023. LAX for the win. Ooh, you got that.
We outside, y'all. Where your intro at? Where your intro at? Your intro.
Hey, do the intro.
Ready? Do the intro. Do the intro. Come on. Ready?
Before we start, does anybody want to raise?
All right, here we go. We're in beautiful Compton, California. You know, tournament day. It's about to go down right here with DaeDae. Go like, follow, subscribe, do all that. Always LAX for the win. You know the deal. We out here. We gonna do this. With it, my people, we are back. This is another Sunday. It's your boy DaeDae. If you're new to the channel, please like, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications and all that good stuff. You feel me? We back in Compton. Look. It is tournament day. You feel me? Day. Let's go check out some of the bikes, you feel me? We outside, everybody is outside, you know the vibe. Bikes on Bike Sunday. Y'all know. We got Eastside Racing over here. Oh no, it's fast. Got fast motor. You know they got their bike. Got FTR over here. Whole lot of FTR business over here. You feel me? AV and FTR over here. They got their bike shop. Feel me? They got their shit. Got everybody else. Yeah. Everybody. Yeah. I be seeing you out there.
Subscribe, bro. Go
I be
subscribe.
seeing you out there.
Go subscribe.
I be seeing you out there.
I'm trying to get like DaeDae.
Nah, you ain't trying to get like me. Y'all heard that? 10 minutes. I'm finna go walk around. See what everybody brought up. I got my Monster Energy drink. Kinda tired. Feel me? But they saying we got 10 minutes until the start. So, we finna walk around, see what's going on with everybody.
10 minutes. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. If you are entering into the 3-inch tournament, 10 minutes.
3 minutes. back with another one.
What's up, Day-Day?
Yes, sir.
Last night was cracking.
Full start.
Gasser.
What the heck?
Gasser.
Last call. If you got a bike going in, come see Sprocket so we can pull cards and take money. Let's go. Last call. Last call. We got 6 so far.
You already got my money, so I just need to pull the car.
Oh no, we good. Don't worry about nothing, bro. We gonna pull.
Watch out! Watch out!
Watch out! Watch out!
Watch out! Yeah, that'll help you.
Jockeys so we can pull these cards and take money. Jockeys, let's go. Jockeys, let's go.
I think they already put on the list. They already on the list. That's Bomb Squad.
Bomb Squad, let's go. Bomb Squad, let's go. Bring that jockey. We getting ready to pull cards.
Cards, y'all already paid y'all money. So again, I'm gonna do the same thing for the ones that's coming late. Y'all already know the jump rule. You jump, you out. Straight up. If your bike is fast, let your bike do the talking. All that jumping shit, out the door. Wait for the signal, then go. Straight up and down. So that way it ain't no misunderstanding. If you jump,
Hey, nigga,
so,
if I don't answer you, or where the fuck is at the line, just know I'm ready, nigga. That I'm God.
where Ozzy?
Oh yeah, Ozzy know the
Y'all already know. Ozzy is doing the flagging. And if he say you out, bro. Ain't no, you ain't getting no money back or nothing. Don't cross. So again,
Let the rules down.
it is what it is. All right, so again, this is for y'all right here, and then when the rest of them come, I'm gonna do it again. So right now we just gonna go with cards. Don't show me nothing until I call for them. Just keep your cards.
You taking them serious?
All right, let me say something too though. And if y'all chasing nigga, I want to hear, he jumped, you move. That's a race.
That means chase is a race.
You cross
Keep
that line.
it.
Better not cross the line 1 inch. Chase is a race. Money gone.
I gotta pull Cisco.
I'll get it. I put some of that.
We outside.
Who, you?
Oh my God. Oh shit, we starting with the funny
Ain't nothing
shit.
funny yet. What's going on now, dog? Ain't nothing funny yet.
Come back, we barely pulled.
Ain't nothing funny yet. All right, so look.
I'm right here, nigga.
I have a question. If I do it back, can I just look at it? Whoever can do it back.
Sit down.
Yeah, get him back.
Sit down, OG. All right, so I'm finna start right now. He already got his card. I'm coming around this way. Billy, let me see. Where's Sprocket? That's KBR. I'm saying, put him on the list.
Just put it as the last race though.
3 spade, or 3. Who got the other 3?
Gotta save my motor, you know what I mean?
That's
We
MBE.
the same cards, bro. We're not finna do that. That don't even make sense. So I put somebody, anybody.
What happened?
Swap cards. Swap cards.
What we saying?
Same thing.
We're not racing the same team, bro. We're not the waste. That's a waste.
Oh, they got the same.
I'm trying to find who want to swap. I'll swap with anybody.
Yeah, swap. Let them swap.
Y'all bucking phase. Y'all bucking phase. That's cool.
We came out here to race. We came out here to race.
So hold on.
That's a real. They about to swap. That's a real nigga. That's
Hold on. Go ahead. Go ahead.
That's a real nigga. That's what I'm talking about. Appreciate it. They're a real nigga.
So where my?
Who's this?
Who gave me this one? Derek, you gave me this one? So this is Derek.
They don't want you. Trust me.
That's Big Hands.
Cards right here already.
Big Hands. Who got the 2? Who out the way? 2. What's up, bro?
Can I get a shout out?
2. Who got the 2? What? Who ain't came?
Y'all niggas see this shit?
What you got now?
He got a 2, OG. You got a 2.
You don't. Let me have your card.
Oh, that's a 4.
You got me mad.
Right?
I was gonna start swinging.
I would have sworn like 2. Who got the 4? That's Bomb Squad 1. I just want to be a billionaire.
So fucking damn it.
This one ain't here yet. Still in my hand. That's Bomb Squad 2.
It's too late to the defending champion. How much is it?
100.
This is Bomb Squad?
Yeah, Bomb Squad 2.
That's for road runners.
We got 6 and
Put
we got
Road
4.
Runner in. You bro. Here, hey, come here.
Pull a card. Let her pull a card.
I'm scared. You don't gotta be scared.
Already put extra in.
Everybody got great bikes out here. That's all. It's like gambling.
Oh no.
Rolling the dice.
Let me see it.
Hey.
What? You see what I did? Start covering.
That's the same.
So that's Roadrunner. All right, who still got a card?
Me, baby girl.
Y'all in this?
Stop playing.
My bad, gangster.
That's right.
That's
That's right.
Oh, that's cheating. All right. That is cheating, but it's cool. Track these niggas.
Y'all figure that out when y'all get down there. I want LBR. You want this thing? All right, nobody else got a card, right?
You know the deal. ATB.
Come on, first.
Billy was bringing one.
Oh, we waiting on Cisco.
Races are set. Y'all got.
What time is it? What time is it?
It's 3:25.
Give it 3:35.
10 minutes. 10 minutes. Y'all can go to y'all spots. At 10 minutes, we need every racer, every jockey, every bike down at the starting line. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Every jockey, every bike at the starting line. 10 minutes. Let's do it. 10 minutes.
I think you.
We trying to see what's going on, y'all. They trying to figure out the whole lane situation. Everybody getting prepped, ready, getting their bikes ready, feel me? We got the ice cream trucks out here. We got everybody out here.
We got round one right here, y'all.
Yes, wait, who's Big House?
Big home.
Big Homes. Oh, we got Big Homes versus who? Roadrunners. Okay. Look at Layla. Where your camera at?
I'm still buying it.
Ah, no mames.
I'm working on it phone.
Hey, ain't nothing to it but to do it, my boy.
Sorry, my yard.
Oh, you're right here? You called down there?
Hey, what's up? Hi, Ben.
Please do. Spark it all in the video, y'all.
I'm trying to see what's in me. Want to get cold? I got bald head. I get bald.
Who got that?
Roadrunner.
Yeah.
Who?
I think TF.
That was brilliant, but who with the TF shirt?
Let's go, nigga. TF.
TAF?
You had him, but you don't know. Yeah.
TAF got that? TAF. TAF got that. Sprocket, who's next? Sprocket.
I got you. I'm getting some.
Look at my young dude. Mini bike E on the beat. Yes, sir. This is mini bike E. It's my young dude bike right here, y'all. Yeah. Look at the bike. My young dude out here though, doing it big. Lord, you hear me? know the vibe. You see what's on the side of that hat? Yes, sir. Big Bomb Squad. You feel me? You know the vibes. Check their bike out. Ooh. Big Billy head. Big dollars.
Billy head boy. Big BSR.
Big BSR. Eastside Racing. They came to play, y'all. Eastside Racing came to play, my boy. The famous flood bike. Seeing it all over YouTube. OG over here. Home Alone over here.
Go hard to go home.
You feel me?
Man.
Fast guys.
Gotta go hard.
Light him up, light him up.
See, little man, sir.
That nigga. I told your ass, nigga. Listen to me, nigga.
Woo!
Yeah, he crossed lanes though.
Little race right there, man. They stay in each other lanes, man. Come on, man.
He crossed lanes, but that don't matter. Just
Hey, he crossed lanes. Mike on that side, he crossed lanes. You got to lane over here.
I'm getting up, but
This is his line right here. You gotta stay in your lane. He got over here.
You know how Michael still came out on the crate?
I can't. That's not my tournament. I can't say nothing. It's not my tournament.
He did jump, but he was 20 bikes out. But that's how it goes.
You saw that? You saw that? Mini bike for the win. What are you talking about? You saw that win? You saw that guy?
Hey, you know it's great. Day 2 said he needed a side bet. He had 200 against you.
Come on, day 2. You trying to bet? You trying to bet? I got 100 right now.
Never know.
Bomb Squad in LAX. Hey, you guys gotta stay in your lane. This is why we split the street.
Something. I don't know.
OG for the win. He came around OG.
That was a good one.
Yeah, it was.
That was a good
Hey,
one.
who got that? Who got that?
LAX for the win.
LAX. LAX for the win.
you already know. You already know. Hey, that's gonna be a good race at the end. Sure it is.
Oh, what's up?
Real data.
I should be on that side, no?
Yeah, I told you. I'm over here. You over
on the
here.
right. You side on the right. Hey, so that nigga's moving, no?
Which lane? Wait.
Right.
Yeah.
Bro, you gotta go over there.
It's on this side.
Right, just don't worry about it.
You want to stay right there?
I don't rate the east side. Flip bike. We got hurt in the building. Niggas, who the fuck out the way? Home Alone?
Hey, they're both coming down on one lane. Move everybody out the way.
Told him to go far right.
They're both coming down one lane. Yes, sir. Drew do not want to race on the left lane, so he's going to come down on the same lane with you.
They want to come down the same lane, so they both finna come down right lane. LBR.
Check your bike before you take off.
Versus Eastside. ESR versus LBR, man.
It is what it is, baby girl. Ready?
You gonna wear a helmet?
Hey, I got him.
Truck through. Motherfucking win. Stop sleeping on Home Alone, man. Them niggas better stop sleeping on that nigga. You got it.
Who you got? Eastside Racing. Eastside Racing.
Oh my God. That move.
Go.
He's passing by.
Hey, that's what a real rider gonna do. That's what a real rider gonna do, player. I'ma get diggy with that bitch. I'ma get diggy with that motherfucker.
You got that. Hey, are real bull riders or what?
Come on.
He was passing on the way up there.
Dance with that
He was
motherfucker.
passing with that motherfucker.
Come on. Let's finish this tournament, fellas.
Man, real bull riders or what, huh?
That's a real bull rider, nigga. Hey. I'm a motherfucker still run, player. Still did your shit, nigga. But goddamn, that motherfucker was ugly.
You crazy for that shit.
Huh?
You crazy for that shit.
It takes a spin, man. It takes years. You know what I mean? First thing, if y'all ever see some shit like that, my nigga, don't hit the brake. Do not hit the brake. Big day, hit that gas some more. So your front wheels can get loose and you can have more control of that motherfucker. You know what I mean? Other than that, get loose again, do the same thing. Just never hit that motherfucker brake. You hit the brake, you going down. That's gonna send you into an immediately high speed wobble. You gotta ride it out. Other than that, it was a good race. It's a good race, ain't that right, fellas?
Yeah, that was a hell of a race right there.
We still on the map.
Don't do that again, though. You scared the hell out of me.
Nah, man. As long as nobody get on the side of me like that, you feel me? But we good.
That street is dangerous.
Hey, I got two. I can go back up.
What you get? Two. Who got two? Two. Right here. TAF and OG.
CAF versus OG, yo.
OG. Who got the ace?
Ace.
Pull up. Hey. I got it.
Right back.
Oh shit.
Who got 8?
Oh shit, no.
I got the 8.
He got them thick ass gloves. He can't feel nothing.
Can't feel it.
That nigga fingers now.
You're looking for we got to run our bike.
Oh, here it is.
BSR got the bike.
Oh, shit. Hey.
With they cheating ass, you feel me? You know,
It's sloppy right there.
We got
Shit, don't speed. Shit, let them niggas knock each other off of me. How the fuck? That's crazy.
I came to the wrong spot.
who grudge racing?
You good right here? Yeah.
I'm that side though. We can't flip for it. Slip corn for it.
You want to flip for it?
Yeah. We got flip lanes.
I mean, you guys are supposed to take these 2 lanes right here.
This side of the corner. I was there last time race.
What side did they take you?
I was right there last time.
GF on the right. GF on the right. OG, you want to race in the middle or you want to race on this lane over here? It's up to you. Your call. No. It's good? Don't cross lane because you're disqualified.
Well, you gotta move the cone.
Oh, you right here? Yeah.
No, he switched back.
Oh, you right here? Oh, okay. Cool.
Oh, tell them they coming down one lane.
Listen.
Don't be that close to me?
No, you can be right here. Come right here. Hey, they're coming down one lane. One lane.
Next race, and then
Yeah, you good right there.
One lane, just don't cross, man.
Yeah, don't cross lane.
Y'all hear me, junkies? Don't cross.
You're going down one lane. Ready? But I want to know if that's still a Tino bill. That's what I want to know.
Shit.
Nah, just a frame right here.
Nah, just the frame. It's the same thing that happened last time. Roll it back.
Chilling. What the fuck? That's what No, he wasn't ready. He wasn't ready?
Damn.
He said no. Chicken said
Damn.
Hey, Home Alone
fucked up his wrist.
Hey, tell him tell him they ain't gotta all walk down here. Tell them not to all walk down here.
Clear the street out. Clear the street. Clear the street. You gotta get the bar.
He still, I'm alone, took a spill, y'all, so. I'm alone, took a spill. Shit.
Hello? Bring that back. I mean, deal. Even if he did.
It's not my tournament. I can't say nothing. It's all up to the officials and whoever tournament it is. You feel me?
Who got that? Who got that?
OG up there. Vlogging, y'all. It's the final race. You feel me? We gonna get this thing on the road because I'm trying to ride too. Final race type ish. We got Mini Bike E versus LAX. Feel me? So we'll see who got it.
Check it.
Hey, you guys saw that? They both went. I didn't drop my hands, but they both went.
Well, you didn't drop your hands?
I didn't even drop my hands. That Chase was a racer.
They was excited. They was excited. Well, y'all seen what happened. I don't know. Hey, I don't know what's going on, man. He didn't drop his hands, but they both went. So, I don't know what's gonna happen now. So we all finna go down there, see. You feel me? Hey, I didn't know who was who. I'm finna load my Audi and my bike back up. You feel me? I'm trying to figure out where the money at. Excuse me. Y'all taking me out to eat, right? Let me go be nosy. I ain't like that. So, hey, I just want to say, what the fuck is it? I'm tired. Hey, hold on, I need this.
They got it spanking last night.
They got a spanking on Saturday night. With this, you know what he's talking about, Day-Day.
Mike that.
That's the one for my
Go get some flies out BA car. Nolo said he got a bike ready